In a stunning upset at the 2025 Norway Chess Tournament, Indian Grandmaster Erigaisi Arjun defeated world number 1 Magnus Carlsen with the white pieces in round 10 Armageddon, showcasing remarkable composure and tactical sharpness. Playing a dynamic line of the king's Indian defense, Arjun took early control of the center with 1.d4 and 4e4, signaling aggressive intent. Carlsen, known for his resourcefulness in cramped positions, responded ambitiously with a kingside fianchetto and early pawn thrusts like f5 and g4. However, Arjun's calm and precise maneuvering, particularly his queen and rook coordination, exposed weaknesses in Carlsen's kingside.
Aquí moment came after 27 gxf 4 eg 4 más 28. Bd 4 qh3 when Arjun's 29 bxf6.
Initiated a decisive tactical sequence. Carlsen's king was eventually lured into the open, culminating in a beautiful checkmate on move 34 with nd4#, a rare sight against the former world champion. This victory not only highlights Arjun's growing maturity as a top-tier competitor but also marks a potential shift in the global chess hierarchy, as a new generation continues to challenge established elites. In round 10 Armageddon of the 2025 Norway Chess Tournament, Erigaisi Arjun defeated Magnus Carlsen in a sharp and tactical battle. Arjun opened with 1.d4, and the game quickly turned dynamic after Carlsen opted for the king's Indian defense. Carlsen launched an aggressive kingside pawn storm with f5 and g4, but Arjun stayed calm, castled queenside, and gradually turned the tables. A tactical breakthrough came after 27.gxf4x4+, leading to a series of precise moves by Arjun. The game ended dramatically with 34 nd4#, a rare checkmate against the former world champion, marking a major win for Arjun. Erigaisi Arjun delivers a shocking victory over world number 1 Magnus Carlsen with a stunning tactical sequence ending in a rare checkmate on move 34. Witness how Arjun stayed calm under pressure, outplayed Carlsen in a sharp king's Indian battle, and made a bold statement on the world stage. Following his final round game against Arjun Erigaisi at Norway Chess 2025, Magnus Carlsen expressed relief and satisfaction with his overall performance. Despite facing challenges throughout the tournament, he remarked, "It's a huge relief after a day like this and in a tournament like this. My struggles have been well documented here. At least I fought till the end, I'm happy with that." Carlsen also indicated a shift in his focus away from classical chess, stating, "Not a lot for sure. I'm not going to say this tournament was my last. I enjoy other forms of chess more." These comments suggest that while he remains committed to the game, his future endeavors may lean more towards rapid and blitz formats.